Hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's simple tutorial, I will show you how to blur your sensitive information, like username and password, in a video using CapCut. But before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. So open CapCut and import the video file that you want to edit. I selected the video in the top right corner. In this video, I logged into my PayPal account and want to hide my password. In the PayPal login portal, submit the username and then click Next. Here we need to enter the password, but I want to hide it. So select the video and target the points where the password begins and ends, and split the video at those points as shown by the arrow. Now select the clip that has been spliced and click on Duplicate. Again, select this clip and click on Overlay. Now that the overlay has been added, we have to blur it and cover our desired area with it. So click on the overlay clip and go to Effects. Here, select Video Effects and search for Blur. You will see various blur options, but we select the first one. Now, this will blur our whole video clip, but we need to hide only our password. So select the overlay clip and go to the mask. Here we have various options like circle, which is used for blurring faces. Since we need to hide the password, we select the rectangle. Now adjust the rectangle with your fingers and fix it over the password box in such a way that it covers the password. Now replay the video to check the results. The password has been blurred. Click on Export to export the video file. This method may seem difficult, but when you practice it 2 or 3 times, it will become clear to you.